Today we're going to be talking about bra hacks. Hi, I'm April Golightly, and today we're going to be talking about bra hacks for a big bust. I basically had big boobs my entire life, from like very, very small size to like a size 4 to now I'm a plus size. But all throughout that time, I've been large busted. So I've been dealing with this situation for far too long. So I have some hacks for you today that are gonna help you wear things that you didn't think you could wear because you had a big bust. So let's get started. So the first thing that I want to talk about today is actually a minimizer. So with a minimizer, and this one that I have, it's from Chantel. I absolutely love it, and I've had it in a bunch of different sizes as I've gotten bustier. It helps just kind of minimize your boobs so that they don't look giant. Because as a big busty woman, I know sometimes you feel like your breasts kind of dress up everything you wear, that everything is a little bit more revealing on you, everything's a little bit more dressy on you. And with a minimizer, you can tone that down a little bit. I'm not saying that I'm totally for you wearing as much as you want, but if you want to minimize your boobs so that it's not taking over your wardrobe, the minimizer helps a lot. I really like wearing them to the office or where I just know that I want to like tone down any sexiness. You know, in general, when you have a big bust, your sex appeal is just out there. So this way you can like tone it down with this minimizer. This is my favorite. My next bra hack is this amazing bra from Cole. Years ago, I had a friend visit me from out of town, and she was wearing a strapless bra, and she was actually bustier than me. And I was like, how are you wearing a strapless bra? You're older than I am. Like, explain to me what is going on here. So she told me all about this Wacoal bra and told me how to put it on. So basically, you take the Wacoal bra and you actually put it on straight on you, rather than twisting it, tying it or clasping it in the front and then twisting it around. Instead, put the bra on yourself and then clasp in the back. And obviously, sometimes you'll need help with that. Your friends, your sister, your husband, your boyfriend, whoever. Just get someone to help you if you can't physically actually do that yourself. So the Wacoal strapless bra has this like sticky material on it that actually helps hang on. And by kind of putting it on straight onto your breasts, you're actually kind of like sealing them in and holding them up. Such a great, awesome thing. Also, these Wacoal bras and Chantel bras are available in tons of different sizes, including plus sizes. I'm wearing right now a 38 triple D, I think. So I feel like I'm constantly like, changing based on like losing 5 pounds, gaining 5 pounds. Now this bra doesn't fit. So anyway, the struggle is real. The next tip that I actually want to tell you about in this bra that I absolutely love is actually like a front closure bra. So with this one, I actually got it on ASOS, which is a very inexpensive site. I can't remember how much I paid for this bra, like $30. It might have been even cheaper than that on sale. ASOS has been like a lifesaver for me, especially for bras and like cute dresses. Over the years, I feel like I'm always like grabbing cute dresses from there. They just have an amazing size range, including the bras, and like 2-day shipping. I usually, if I know I'm gonna be shopping a lot that year, I usually pay for the quick 2-day shipping so that like shipping is always free. If you use the site a lot, you definitely should. With the bra, this one is like a front closure and awesome because it kind of opens up all these like super low cut tops that you can wear with that. With this romper, it's a jumpsuit that I found on ASOS actually, super low cut, and I was able to wear it with this like front closure bra. The cool thing is that with my correct size, if you get the correct size, 38, I think H or G, I think, with this, then I was able to like, it fit perfectly, which is so nice. I mean, like, how rare is that? And then getting like such an inexpensive bra, such a great deal. After watching like a ton of different videos on YouTube, I decided to try out a few things that some of these, you know, big YouTubers are talking about and how they totally work. Well, I tried out a few things. I tried out body tape from Amazon. This does not work for big boobs. So maybe for little boobs, but this was like the recommended one on Amazon, and I would say this does not work. The one that does work was one of the recommendations from a YouTuber. It's called push-up tape, which I was like, it's from I think England, and I didn't really want to, you know, have to ship from England and pay for shipping. I know we're all like against paying for shipping, but this stuff is actually, it looks exactly the same, but it definitely isn't. It's way better, and it's called push-up tape. I'm gonna link everything that I'm talking about today down below, but this stuff actually works and holds you up. The way you put it on, let me see if I can show you, is you cut out the piece that you want. So like, I think this much of a piece is probably enough for me. So you kind of pull off the tape and kind of go slowly up your back. But one of the things is that this tape is very, very strong. So I highly recommend working with a cover. So they do give you nipple covers to go with it, but if you have large nipples or large areolas, you know, that whole area is like very sensitive. So I'd recommend using one of those like little pads that come in your bras, like a sports bra or whatever bra. There's like little pads that come in there, and then cover everything and then use the tape over it. I use these things as well as like the cover. So this one I tried on its own, totally didn't work, but with the boob tape, not the boob tape, the push-up tape, together with the push-up tape, this worked really well. And that way you can wear, you know, something backless, something plunging, that you can go like beyond your, like even below the front closure bra. So you can even go like deeper than the front closure bra. You can go backless, you can wear all kinds of things. There's this dress that I wore recently, also from ASOS. This is not sponsored by ASOS, I just am a fan. So basically with this one, I think it was low and also had a like hole in the back, so I couldn't really wear a bra with it. So what I did with it was I put the boob tape on the front only, so that it basically hit right here and just held me up in the front so that my back could be out, which was really cool. I mean, it's definitely a project. Like, it's not something you can do in like 5 minutes. You probably need like a good 15-20 minutes to put it on for you. So if you're like rushing out of the door, you know, make sure that you give yourself time to put the tape and stuff on, and prep. So that's something to think about. Here I am showing you exactly how I do it over a bra here. Like I said, you can do it over the bra, or you can do it over a piece of, you know, of like a sports bra, like the inserts from a sports bra or a swimsuit, just as long as you use something to like cover your nipple area, because the tape is very strong and that area is super sensitive. So here we go. I'm like strapping the tape from the top to the bottom. You can go from top to bottom or bottom to top, and then pulling it. See, I messed up here already. Basically, I'm kind of doing it so that you can push the tape under your boob area. Really, honestly, having done this a few times, I would say go from bottom to top, and it works a little bit better that way. This is actually the tape that I'm using here, that I'm using to demonstrate, is not the good tape. The good tape, I didn't film that one, but this one, it's like the same concept, but with the push-up tape, it's way better than this one is. Depending on how big busted you are will depend on how many pieces of tape you will need. And obviously with the bra, you will probably need less to push it up. But if you're doing it without an actual bra with it, then you need more tape to hold you up. So I've seen like in some instances where like people only need 2 pieces of tape, but with a large big bust you definitely need a decent amount. I think I use about 4 or 5 pieces every single time. But this is the basic concept, so you can see kind of, and see how it kind of pops out there. You kind of actually might want to like mark a little line exactly where you need to keep it from. So maybe mark a little like pen mark on your shoulder, so you can say, okay, from this point on is like how it has to be beyond that, so that you can't see the tape under my top. When you're not wearing a bra and you're just using the tape with the little pads, you can wear a top like this where it's completely backless, and just make a choice and basically wear a backless top, which I just didn't think was possible for my bust size. With this push-up tape, it can happen, which is so cool. It just like opens the fashion possibilities up like crazy, which is awesome. Next thing that I wanted to talk about was actually like with this top. So it kind of right now is opening, you know, and I think the way to avoid, if I just wanted to wear it as a top and wear like a little tank top underneath it, because it's kind of sheer, I don't think I could wear it. Maybe I could wear it with like a nude bra underneath it. I think it would be cute, or a black bra, depending on how risque I wanted to feel. But I do want this to stay closed. The best thing to do is get a little safety pin. They usually come with your clothes. So if you get like one with your clothes that's like a black color, or just different colors than just the traditional silver, I like save those. They're teeny tiny, and I save them to kind of match the tops. So that way I'd probably wear a little black one right here, and I'd go in from the inside and then pin the inside of the top. So I'd pin one to the other, but not going through the layer that you actually see. But sometimes like that's not possible, and that's why the colors are important. So, you know, with the black one would be really nice so that you couldn't see it here. I mean, if you're very, very careful, you can avoid seeing it at all, so the silver wouldn't matter. But the black in general, like, but this fabric is slightly sheer, so the black would be the best choice. Yeah, and then that way it stays closed the whole time. Also, you can also do that with like boob tape. Boob tape? No, what is this called? This is called double-sided dress tape. So I got this also on, I think I got this on ASOS, but I think you can also get something very similar like fashion tape or something that I've used also. So you can also do the same thing where you could do, let me see if I can do it for you guys. I just got my nails done, so I'm not very good at this. Fake nails, fail. Okay, there we go. Let me see if I can. Okay. So you can do a double-sided thing right here rather than using the pin. So, yes, okay. I'm gonna go right there. So I just do it to the fabric first. Everything is more difficult with nails. No, it's not too bad. There we go. Okay. So now it's closed shut with the tape there, rather than using the pin. If you don't want to pin through anything, or if you just want, you can even keep this in your car and have it just in case, or like a little tiny strip in your bag just in case. You can also use double-sided tape to kind of keep your neckline in place when sometimes when you like lean over, your neckline will like kind of blouse out. So here I'm putting it into this jumpsuit to kind of hold it to my bra area so that if I like lean over, you can't see down my whole body. You can also pin, if you want to go even lower, you can actually pin the V-neck or the wrap top to your actual bra, so that you're basically doing the same thing here in the middle, but instead of just pinning them together, you can pin them into the bra so that it actually stays put, and so that your bra will never show, which is really cool way to like make it that's your like limit, is the bra is the limit, so therefore it won't open any more than that actual spot. Another bra hack that I wanted to share with you is this little extender. I actually, you know, with my weight gain and weight loss, I have some bras that don't fit me perfectly. So rather than going out and buying a bazillion new bras in a size that I might not be in for very long, I just bought this little extender so that when I went from a 36 to a 38, now I have this little extender for the straps, and then if I lose a couple pounds, then all I have to do is remove the extender. It's super easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and check out this other video on other bra hacks.